Hello guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix microphone not recording voice in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, pretty much just navigate to your Windows settings. After that, on the left panel here, choose System and then choose Sound. And in here just have to make sure that under your input you have your microphone chosen. So as you can see, my microphone is chosen here. You can have a name. You can rename it. We have a driver, date and version, provider, and as you can see, this device is currently in use. So and as you can see, this device is in use. Well, this is because I'm recording a video through OBS, and in here you can choose your quality of your sound, input volume right here, and you can also test it. And yeah, pretty much just make sure that your drivers are updated as well. You can update them through Windows Update. And another way is to navigate to your control panel. You go to, no, not here, you go to Hardware and Sound, and in here navigate to the Recording tab, click on your microphone, go to Properties, and make sure that it works. So just change the levels so that they are on 100%. And yeah, you can also test it if you wish, but that's pretty much how this is done. Also, if you wish to see where and which app is using your microphone, you can just go to your taskbar and hover over your icon here, which says microphone in use, and you will see here which apps are currently using your microphone. So this is a pretty handy thing. So you can just also press on it, and as you can see in here, we have different apps that can potentially use your sound and your voice. So you can either enable or disable your microphone for a certain app. So that's pretty handy. But pretty much that's it, guys. Hopefully this helps you out. So if you restored your sound with this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.